Hi guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods again in the back garden. Put a tarp up. We're in another lockdown, so hope everybody's well and keeping their sanity. Today I'm going to show you how to use a ferro rod more effectively and the different ways that I see people use it, because I haven't been able to go out much or do anything. Been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I can see the way I do stuff, and then other YouTubers and bushcrafters do stuff, and you know, we all kind of do things similarly, but because you're from one viewpoint looking at something, you get to see something from another side. And I just want to show you different ways that I see people use this. So I'm just going to show you using a Mora Garberg here. Now, normally people put their ferro rod in a tinder pile and they strike and then kind of like see what happens. Other people do and including myself, they just pump away on it until you get something lit. Now, the things I've seen with this is, first off, you end up getting a knobbly bit on the end. And if you ever do any kind of ferro rods for a long period of time, you know that your rods, after a while, they get all kind of like a groove in them. The mine's right there. Or sometimes it's even worse, where you get a knobbly bit in the end and that just snaps off and you waste a lot of ferro rod. I'm just showing you using cheap rods at the moment. So you have the normal strike, then you have the pump motion, and then some people hold the striker and then pull the rod. Oop. Right. Oop. So that's another way of doing it. But with this one, when you do this one, it kind of spreads everywhere and you don't get a really focus on your... So I'm hitting everything but the tinder pile at the moment. So when you do it this method, sometimes you have it lit, but you can't really see it because your knife is in the way of your view. And I see a lot of YouTubers that, including myself, I'm not excluding myself on this, but you have it lit, but because you're pumping away, you're actually ducking the flame out at the same time. See, there it goes. Alright, and then the other way is holding the striker. Ooh, got me in that one. Okay, so those are the other ways. So now the way I've been doing it, a little bit different, but it makes more sense. You get so many more benefits out of it. So let me show you that now. It might be not like rocket science or new to you, but it's just a way I found that I just have more success with. So let me show you that. So instead of just striking once, pump striking it, or using the striker this way, what I find to work for me now is taking the blade side down and holding on tinder pile, which this is also good for that if you have any fluffy material that you don't want blown away or anything like that, that you could actually hold it down. The other thing is taking the rod and putting your finger on top, holding it like this, and then doing it. So oh, there we go, I'll find a sweet spot for it. So this way I find better is that I'm having air travel around. I'm not knocking the tinder pile down by hitting it. Also, I'm using the whole rod, so I'm getting a bit more benefit. I mean, this is a cheap and cheerful rod, so I'm only getting what I'm getting out of this. But say, going by example, I'm just going to use one of these fire plugs from Pro Camp Tech. I got these from Bath Bushcraft Shop. So, right. So here we are. We got a fluffy material that might fly away, right? So now I'm holding it with my ferro rod, my finger on here for equal pressure, and it goes. So again, just holding it down, finding your edge on it. Down. I just find it a bit easier, and also you can see what's going on. This stuff lights too well. Alright, again, just holding it down, finger prick. See, and then it goes. So again, you can also have like a kind of like a windshield effect, but I just think that's better than the other two methods I'm doing. Oh, this stuff is too good. Out, out, out. My other kit has a better rod, the hexagon one. This is just I forgot where I got this from. Okay, so just my idea, my 2 cents about it. So let me know what you think in the comments section. Do you think this way is a bit better to use a ferro rod? This stuff's still burning. If you like the fire plugs, you can get them from Pro Camp Tech or Bath Bushcraft Shop. That's where I got mine from. It's really good stuff. I mean, we have wet weather here, so it's kind of handy. Like I said, let me know what you think in the comments section about ferro rods and how you use them. Like I said, I used to, use the pump method myself, but I also found myself ducking it out a lot more than anything, and also seeing that a lot more on YouTube. But I just think I'm going to try this way for a bit longer, because so far it's going really well for me, and I'm getting on. So hope you guys stay well, stay positive, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.